Hey everybody, Mr. O'Neill here, and today I'm going to show you a little bit more with the name project. I want you to watch what I've added. So we've learned how the name have some sound effects, and I've added this frog and dragonfly. So I added two more sprites, and I have the frog eating the dragonfly at the end and making a croaking sound. So this is the code here for the frog. Okay, and so I want to just show you what I did. Okay, the first thing I did, and I'm gonna delete him so that I can do this again. And I'm gonna delete the dragonfly. Okay, so first I went to my sprites, and I believe I found him under animals. There he is, the wizard toad. Okay, and then I went and I found a dragonfly for him to eat right here. And that's a very large dragonfly, okay? So let's work with the code first for the frog, for the toad. First off, we have to start an event, right? So I'm going to bring over when the green flag is clicked. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the frog where I want him to start. Okay, and I want you to notice here on the side, every time I move the frog, the XY changes. So I'm going to move him to the corner, and when the green flag is clicked, I want him to go to that corner. Okay, so I'm going to put go to x minus 199 to y minus 137, which is this location. Okay, now I want him to wait there. I don't want him to move until the L comes. So I'm going to go back and look at the L and look at the code. Now it's going to take the L 8 seconds to get to the top. So when I go back to my frog, I'm going to put a control in right here. A control which is wait. And I'm going to make it wait 8 seconds for him to start. Okay, so he's going to go to this location. He's going to stay there for 8 seconds. Okay, and that's under control. Wait 8 seconds. Now I want him to jump here. Okay, so I'm going to go to motion, and I'm going to move him here first, and then I'm going to look for that glide button. Glide to x minus 42 minus 45, which is there. Then I'm going to move him down, and that now changes the glide to 0 minus 140. Then I'm going to make him jump again up in the air, and that again changes the glide x and y. So now I'm going to bring that out, and then I'm going to have him finish right here. So I'm going to bring that out, glide there. Let's see what this looks like as it is now. Okay, so it worked. See how he waited till the L was over? Because I timed it with the 8 seconds, and he did the jump that I wanted him to do. All right, now if I want him to croak at the end, I'm going to click on sounds, and he's already loaded with the croak, so I'm going to bring this and throw it at the end. All right, now let's take a look at the dragonfly. So first off, the dragonfly is huge. Now you can see right here where it says size 100. I'm going to try 25 first. Okay, that's a good size. Fits kind of in the star. So basically that means 25% of his original size. All right, so now I want to time it so that the dragonfly gets there the same time the frog does. Okay, so we're going to have to do a little math here. Let's look here. 8 seconds, 9, 10, 11, 12. It takes 12 seconds for the frog to get to the end. So what I'm going to do is let's click on the dragonfly. Let's open up with a green flag, of course. And we want him to start in that position. So we're going to click motion, go to that spot, which is already plugged in for us. Now we are going to put the dragonfly where we want him to go, which is right here. And then I'm going to have that glide to that spot. Now, if I just type in 12, he's going to start moving right from the beginning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have him wait too. So I'm going to go to control, and I'm going to have him wait 8 seconds just like the frog had to wait. So they're going to start at the same exact time. And then I'm going to have him move to that spot, and I'm going to have it take 4 seconds. So I'm going to click there and take 4. So 8 plus 4 is 12. He should get there the same time the frog does. Let's see. Oh, I did something wrong. I already know what I did. Let's see if you guys can guess. Now, we need to take this part out. I have that in twice. There we go. Now let's try it. Waiting 8 seconds. Let's see. Right at the same time. All right, guys. Well, take a look at the frog's code again. I had him glide to 4 different positions, each 1 second long. I had both the dragonfly and the frog wait 8 seconds before they started moving. And then I added a sound at the end. All right, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you can try this with your project. Okay, guys, I'll see you in class.